When shopping for a washer, it's best to consider the many new and energy-efficient features washers have to offer, as well as considering what types and styles will best suit your needs. This video was created to give you the pros and cons of today's washing machines, and hopefully give you a better understanding of the three types of washing machines available today: traditional top-loading, high-efficiency top-loading, and high-efficiency front-loading. Traditional top-loading washers are the most familiar. We all grew up with them, and at some point in our lives have used them or know someone who has. The advantages of traditional top-loading washers are that they're easy to load, they cost less initially, you can buy them as a stacked unit, and they don't require any special detergent. The disadvantage is that they have smaller capacities, the agitator causes wear and tear on garments, they use much more water per wash load, usually between 45 and 55 gallons, because your clothes have to be submerged in order to be clean. And they don't extract as much water during the spin cycle because they have lower spin speeds, usually around 600 to 650 RPMs. So clothes come out more damp and will take much longer to dry. High-efficiency top loaders are similar to traditional top loaders by exterior design only. What sets these units apart from traditional models is that these units have very small agitators, or none at all, allowing for extra capacity in the wash tub. High-efficiency top loaders typically offer more cycles, require less detergent, and use less water than traditional top loaders. They have higher spin speeds anywhere between 1,000 and 1,500 RPMs or more, which extracts more water from the clothes, giving you less drying times. The disadvantages are, like traditional top loaders, if you purchase a side-by-side unit, they cannot be stacked if you're limited on space. The deeper tubs can make it harder for some to retrieve garments. They require low sudsing detergents labeled HE to work efficiently, and if loaded incorrectly, clothes will not wash properly and could become twisted. It's very important to correctly load HE top loaders. High-efficiency front-loading washers are very similar to high-efficiency top-loading washers when it comes to features like water saving, higher spin speeds, much larger capacities, and the need to use detergents labeled HE. There's also no longer a need to add bleach with most of these machines, because many of the newer models have cycles that boost water temperatures anywhere from 150 to 200 degrees, allowing the detergent to penetrate the fabrics for bleach-free cleaning. But unlike top-loading HE units, you can completely fill the drum in a front loader. As long as you can close the door without forcing it, your clothes will get cleaned. No matter how big or small the load, these units will always distribute the correct amount of water. Front loaders also have the option to be displayed side by side, under counter, or stacked if needed with the help of a stacking kit. There's also the option to purchase matching pedestals that double as storage drawers if you feel your washer sits too low on the floor. The disadvantages of a front-loading unit is that they can cost more than comparable top-loading units. Once the machine starts, there's only a certain amount of time before you can add a garment. You have to leave the door and soap dispenser ajar after each use to let the tub completely dry out. And you will need to clean your unit periodically by running your unit on the hottest setting with bleach or purchasing any over-the-counter washer cleaner. The bottom line, buying a washer is an investment that has to work for your family. There is no right or wrong answer because ultimately it comes down to what's best for you. To learn more about washers and all the different options available, visit us at app.com or stop in and speak with one of our knowledgeable sales associates.